Today I'm going to show you how to use this Blender asset library for a simple Product Studio rendering setup. First, I'm just going to create a simple HDRI. Down below there's a link to a video where I show you how to use Blender to make HDRIs. Then I'm going to save my HDRI and bring it into a new scene so that I can create it into an asset. Here I'm just going to place Suzanne as a reference. We don't actually need her, but now that I have the HDRI in my environment, I can save it as an asset, give it a name, and you will see that if I go to the current file, this HDRI is now saved as an asset. The next thing I'm going to do is create a simple backdrop, which I'm also going to save as an asset. Rename it and save it as an asset, and now our file has an HDRI and a simple backdrop. In your settings, make sure to add your new asset library path, and in this path you will just have your Blender file with the assets that you want to use. So here we are with a new file, and I brought Suzanne back, and we are going to bring in our Studio HDRI and our backdrop from our asset library. In the same way, you can have a material library, you can have them all in one folder or in different folders. But once you have all of these assets, it is as simple as importing your 3D model, drag and drop a material, drag and drop your backdrop or environment, and then drag and drop your HDRI if you want to use those. You can also make light collections if you prefer that over HDRIs, but that is how you have a simple studio rendering setup in Blender.